In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Yahoo Mail inbox layout to better suit your preferences, creating an email experience that works just right for you. Let's dive in and make those adjustments step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Yahoo Mail account using a web browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see that familiar gear icon. This gear icon serves as the gateway to your settings, where all the customization magic happens. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the initial settings menu. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see an option labeled More Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a new and more detailed settings dashboard. Now that you're in the More Settings area, focus your gaze on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various categories that you can explore, but for today, we're concentrating on the Viewing Email section. Give that a click and you'll be presented with a range of options to tailor your inbox layout exactly how you like it. In this section, you'll be able to choose the inbox layout that best fits your needs. Whether you prefer the classic layout that resembles what you're used to, the comfortable layout for a more spacious view, or the more space-efficient compact layout, you have the flexibility to decide what works best for your eyes and workflow. Choose your preferred layout by simply clicking on your choice. But don't stop there. This is also a perfect time to adjust other preferences within the View Email section. You might want to consider how dense the message list appears on your screen. If you're looking to see more or fewer emails at a glance, tweaking the message list density can make a big difference. Moreover, for those who either love or prefer to avoid conversation view, where emails with the same subject are grouped together, you can modify this feature to suit your preference. The beauty of these settings is their simplicity. You'll be glad to hear that once you've made your selections, there's no need to worry about finding a save button. Yahoo Mail is designed for efficiency, so all changes are automatically saved as you make them. Once you're satisfied with your settings and adjustments, simply close the settings panel to return to your newly customized inbox. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've personalized your Yahoo Mail inbox, making it more comfortable and efficient for your daily email tasks. Happy emailing!